So hi guys. So my friend asked me, what do I do if the kids fight over remote control? So most of the time it happens siya. Like most every day. So if they want to watch TV, who get to watch first, and then so what do I do is I'll ask them to take turns. It's either that or I'm going to turn off the TV. So turn off the TV or take turns. And then they're just going to start talking. Who's going to be the first one, and then the next, and then the third one. But sometimes they already, nag-ano na sila, naghampasan na, tawag nito, umiyak na yung isa. So, when I talk to them that they get to share because they're siblings, yung ganyan. So, mga ganyan, gagamitan mo ng mga words na ganyan, and then, yun na, nagkakaintindihan na sila na kailangan nilang mag-take turns, who get to watch first, and then there's minutes. So, I'm going to set Google for the timer. So, sometimes it's 10 minutes or 5 minutes because they don't want that long or sometimes. So, I'm just going to make it 5 minutes to shorten the time, the length of the time of each of them. And then they just started talking, then watch, and then that's it. That's what I do. It's either I'm going to turn off the TV or they have to get to take turns with the remote control, so they don't fight over they stop fighting and hitting with each other. So ganun lang siya. Or if it's a plate, sometimes the toddler wants the purple one, and then the school age, the eldest wants the same plate. So and then yung isa na sa ugasan pa, hindi ko pa nasa dishwasher pa. So I'm just gonna talk to them that you can use this now, I'm gonna have to wash it later, and then you can use it later, and then they just have to agree with each other, because if not, then iisa lang ang kulay. But she get to have sometimes if she has a purple plate, then the other one has the purple glass because they love purple. So that's most of the time they fight over things. And then the trolley, when we go to the school, I get a turn and then get a turn. Magagano ng mga bata, yung maliliit, nagsasabay-sabay magsasalita na the three of them were going to tell me, I didn't get a turn. I didn't get even the turn since we got out from the house. So that's why it most happens like every day. So but it's okay. And yung parang kinakausap ko lang sila, and I just take it as a challenge na, like, you have to use some words that you have to share. They have to, like your siblings, you have to defend each other. You have to be like, understand with each other, but it doesn't work all the time. So you have to be firm with your decisions. Who got to play first, and then next, and next, and next. If not, then just stop in the corner, and then silent. Okay, we just have to sit in for a while, and then until you behave. So that's most of the time, because it takes a lot of 15 minutes to go to their camp, because during school days it's their parents who will take them to school. So yun.